Okay, we got TRX, Tron, looks to be, wow, all these are setting up on the weekend nicely. So see, I drew this, you know, price coming up, pulling back, coming up, pulling back. Now broke through this zone, broke back below. Now it's closing above it. So might be good to buy this. Let's just see. I mean, price is below this 4-hour moving average, so I don't love that, but I'll delete all these and we'll just see what we're working with here. See if there's any new zones that we can consider. Oops. So I mean, this zone's really small and it's kind of just, yeah, I don't love this yet. There's just not enough, and it could be just because it's the weekend, but it's just not breaking up enough. But you can see higher highs, higher lows, so I do like this. I do really like this part. So very happy with this. Would consider a long position if this keeps going, which I think it will, through this zone. So we'll move this over, and then maybe something like this. If we look on a daily, you can see the wicks are getting higher and higher as it's rejecting this area. You got this big, this actually tells such a good story. So you got wicks, so all these wicks, these are creating higher lows. You can see price is getting, you know, less low every day, and then finally it's out, it's held above this zone this entire time. And then as of this candle, the wick doesn't even go in this zone, and then just closes, you know, super bullish engulfing. And then the next day, you know, okay, so it hits this zone, pulls back a little bit, and then boom, you know, the bulls buy it back up. Now today, another bullish engulfing, probably through this zone. So I would say Tron is a good buy, and the only thing I would wait a little bit longer for, I mean, it's the weekend, so that's not ideal, but price is above this 1-hour moving average. You can see higher highs, higher lows. I like that a lot. I mean, I think it's a pretty good buy. Like, I maybe just wait for price to break above this zone and then retest. Like, don't be in a hurry. So yeah, let price come up, retest, and something like this. And then yeah, enter that buy position and just keep your stops below this area here. I think it'd be good to go. I think that's a good setup. It just sucks that it's the weekend, so there's not a ton of liquidity in the market, but I mean, the structure, momentum, it's all there. You got this nice bullish engulfing candle today, and then like it's all lining up good. I mean, it's right in this main area that we drew out for support. So yeah, man, I'm super happy with this. I like this a lot. I think this is a great buy. And then just target the top of this zone and just see what price does once it gets into it. If it gets a little iffy, then you take your profits, no big deal. But as of right now, I think it's a great buy. Price still way above this daily moving average. It did make recent higher highs relative to these ones. Nice pullback, super healthy for price to pull back, and then create its new area. All month it's had time to break below this area. You can see this is the August 1st candle, and price did not break below this zone. So that tells me that it wants to go higher. And you can see as of today, yesterday, and the day before, I mean, this is nice bullish price structure. So TRX, Tron, I think is a good buy as far as like entries. I mean, you can wait for it to break this zone. I would be in no rush to buy it, although I think you could right now. But I would just wait. There's no real rush because I don't think this is going to move a ton the next 2 days. So let it move up, break this, let it close above this area here, pull back a little bit. You know, maybe today it pulls up above this area, tomorrow it pulls back into it a little bit, Sunday, and then Monday you're looking for that buy position, and then you know, buy it right around 775 and hold it all the way to like roughly 835 maybe, yeah, just in this zone, or maybe 850. Let it go pretty much all the way to the top of this zone, and where these candles actually are would be a good idea. Hold on, let me see. Why did I draw this so big? Okay, something like this. Just delete this. I'll make a new one. target something like this, where those previous wicks are on the daily. So that is my take on Tron. I think it's an excellent buy. I think maybe just wait a couple days for a little bit of more liquidity, and then, you know, once price breaks this area, pulls back, rejects, that is your entry for Tron. So